Hi guys, it's Demi. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you are new, hi, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe because I would love to have you back. Today, I'm gonna share with you all my birthday gifts I got for this year. I have my birthday on October 21st and I got really cool gifts this year. So I'm gonna show you the gifts from my friends and family. And also I received a really nice gift from Dior. And you know what? As soon as I'm making a gift video, I'm gonna also include all the gifts I have gotten from Dior for this year. And when I say gifts, I mean all the gifts that Dior sends you directly when you sign up in their loyalty program. So please stick around until the end of this video because the gifts are fabulous. Starting with my husband and daughter, they got me this amazing Meta Ray-Ban sunglasses. This is the Skyler model. They are so smart. You can, first of all, the color is gray. You can make phone calls with them. You can ask anything. They have GPS. They can take videos. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to make really good videos in stores for you guys with those. They also had another style. They call it transitioning Meta Ray-Bans. Both of those versions are very good. I just got the Skyler because my daughter and husband picked it for me. By the way, you're gonna find all the products you see here in the description down below. Next, another cool gift I got from my daughter and husband again. It's this amazing Chanel book you see back there. So basically, this is a book for the history of Chanel. It's a really cool book. So yeah, go ahead and get that if you want to know the history of Chanel. Moving on to my best friend, Carol. She got me a desk decoration that says, "You mean a lot to me." And it's so cute and I love it and I have it always here on my desk. Then my friend Carol also got me a sun catcher. Oh wow, isn't that pretty? So basically with this one you put it on your window and those shiny beads here, they catch the sunlight and your room filling up with amazing colors. I love that. Look how pretty it is. Thank you, Carol. I love you. Moving on to my other friend, Tina. She got me this amazing, super cute Michael Kors belt bag, which is amazing. First of all, it's black, goes with everything. And I love those bags because, sometimes you want to leave the house for 5 minutes and you're going to go shop groceries or pick your kids from school, or even if you go to a mall for shopping. It's totally better to have a belt bag than to have, carrying a whole bag with you inside the mall. So that's amazing. Thank you, Tina. And now we're moving on to Dior. Dior sent me a birthday gift, guys. Can you believe that? So basically, Dior has one of the best loyalty programs. Actually, for me, it's the best. There is no better than this. So they have tires. When you are either gold or platinum status, you're receiving a birthday gift every year. You're receiving a holiday gift for Christmas, which is coming soon, and I'm gonna show it to you. And now they just change it, and they also send you a seasonal gift, which I believe it's gonna be for summer or something like that. Anyways, my status is platinum, and they sent me my birthday gift, and I'm gonna open it right now with you. Oh my God. So this one, the design, they call it Maps of the World, and it's a box. And when you open the box, of course, we have the Dior paper here. So, and basically, this one is a notebook, and this one is matching pencil. I love it. I love it. It's just a plain notebook. And over here, ta-tan! And they say Dior. Isn't that cool? Oh yeah, that's really cool. So that was the birthday gift I received from Dior. And now let's move on to Dior loyalty gifts. So basically, when you start shopping from Dior.com directly, depends how much you're spending, you work your way up to a platinum status, right? So for my first order ever from Dior.com, after I sign up for the loyalty program, they sent me this amazing welcome gift, which is a nail polish in their signature color 999 red, and also this amazing lipstick case, which is again the maps of the world. Now this is paper, and inside it has a mini lipstick. Actually, no, I'm sorry. It has a full-size lipstick. Of course, it's in their signature color 999. So that was the gift I got the first time I shopped directly from their website. Now, for silver welcome gift, when I reached the silver status, they sent me this amazing trio. Okay, over here we have J'adore, Eau de Parfum, the classic one, my beloved one. Over here we have again a mini size lipstick in their signature color 999. And over here we have the Dior Prestige Serum. Oh my God. I love them all. Thank you, Dior. Now, moving on to the gold status. When I reached the gold status, they brought me this amazing box. So over here, we have a refillable atomizer. That's the refillable atomizer. And of course, it is full with the Miss Dior perfume. But again, as you can see, you can put it on your perfume and you can refill it as many times as you want. Also, it is magnetic, I believe. Yes. So it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't spill. Nothing happened to it. So next to that, we have this amazing pouch, of course, in the maps design. And how much I love this. I love it very much, guys. It's so cute. It's so cool. So that was the gold welcome gift. And now we're moving on to the biggest gift of all. So this one came to me when I reached the platinum status, which I am still today. Da-da! That's big. That's very big. So basically, they send you a tote bag. Again, the design is map of the world, and then a cream and a lip glow. So let me show you the bag. It is an amazing, really big tote bag, and I love it. Look at that. you can go shopping, you can hold it like that. Then we have Dior lip glow here. And of course, we have the Christian Dior Le Boom, and that's the balm. So basically, you can use that all over your body and lips. I use it as a hand cream, and of course sometimes on my lips, on my body, it depends. But usually I have this on my bag and I use it as a hand cream. And that was for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe because I would love to have you back. And until the next time, bye!